Boy oh boy, I cannot wait to draw something on my Wacom tablet. Oh my goodness, whatever am I to do about this tragic incident? Hello? Hey, I got a package here for Amlik. It says that on the box. Yeah, more or less. Yo, how the hell did you get in my house? Cause I'm delivering your package to you? Yeah, I know that, but you're in my hallway. Just get out! Get out! I mean, do you still want it? Sure, just give me that. Okay, get out. Leave. Just leave. Alright. Okay, that was weird as hell. What did I even get? Oh, that's convenient. Now, before I go any further, I totally forgot to mention, but GAOMON sent me this tablet for free to review. It's not technically sponsored, but it's weird, whatever. I'm just disclosing that so you guys know. So, what do you get in this box? The first thing, of course, is the tablet itself. It's a pretty big tablet. I think it's a really nice size, honestly. It's not too big. Stuff that also came with it, you got a tablet cover. I'm not going to use this, I don't really care for it, but you got some adhesive on the back. One thing that I thought was kind of interesting is you get this weird mouse pad almost. It's like the same size as the tablet, but on it you get like a bunch of Photoshop keystrokes, which I don't use Photoshop for any of my art, so I don't know, I wouldn't need that personally, but doing your mom. You also get this pretty nice bag that fits your tablet in it. It's a nice little travel bag, pretty cool. I don't know if this is like an Air or something, but they give you half of a glove. It still looks pretty cool. Yeah. You also get this pretty nice, pretty lengthy USB-C cable. I'd say this is probably around 4 or 5 feet. So as you can see, it's a slanted connector. It is USB Type-C, so that is nice. My only complaint with this though is that when you have the actual tablet, you can only put it in like this, and you cannot put it in like this really, because it just kind of bumps up. And so next we got the pen itself right here. The stylus itself is pretty nice. This is like a little rubberized material right here, and the rest is like a plastic. There's the little logo right there and the tip of it. It's pretty nice. It's very light, I will say. And with that, you also get this little travel case kind of thing. I think it's just somewhere to put it. You just put it in like that. So as you can see, we got these literal. This is a USB Type-C to USB adapter, and there's also one with a micro B. I am told that this is to connect your tablet to your phone, so if you want to do that, you can, unless you're an iPhone user. Okay, and the last thing we got is this little bag. It's made of the same material as the thing you have for your pen. Now, inside this bag is another little baggie. But anyways, on the inside, you got a bunch. I'm not sure how many, but that looks like 6 or 7 little stylus pen tips, and this metal thing in the middle, that's to remove the old ones.
Yeah, it draws good.
Now, one cool thing about this tablet is it has a lot of multimedia buttons up at the top. This button right here, it'll open up all your apps. This one actually opens Task Manager, Pretty neat. I haven't seen that before. This takes you to your desktop, opens it right back up as well. This opens a new folder, or this opens folders. This one opens folders, File Explorer. This one saves stuff. I don't have anything to save. This one opens a new window. I guess a File Explorer. This one, I haven't seen a multimedia button like this before. It locks your computer, which I don't know why you would want to use that, but you know what? That's like one of the cooler things I've seen. And then the rest is just basic play, pause, skip track, turn up volume, and stuff like that. So right here actually we have this kind of scroll wheel design, and this, to my knowledge, actually acts like did you guys ever know about those like Microsoft knobs that you like push down and it like acts kind of like a scroll wheel or something? Yeah, this is basically one of those, except built into your tablet. You can adjust the volume whenever you do this, and you can do different things depending on what application you are. You can use it for scrolling and all other sorts of stuff. Another cool thing I like is you have 8 programmable buttons right here to do whatever you want. You can set them up for computer like shortcuts, different keys. Very useful. Yeah, I do like that a lot. Now, I didn't mention this earlier on the stylus, but on your stylus you do have 2 little buttons right here that you can also program. So in the end, I do recommend this tablet. Pretty epic, especially for the price point. You get a lot of cool stuff. Yeah, it gets the seal of the official Amlik seal of approval. Yep.